How to fix 0xc190020e Windows update error code on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows update error and Windows update failed to install in your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type clean mgr, clean manager, and click on OK button. This cleanup wizard will appear and it will clean up your disk. Here choose certain other files, temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and choose OK to clean up your. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Delete files. Sometimes memory related issue, low disk space may cause of hindrance in updating Windows. The next workaround is again go to Windows settings and enable storage sense. Under system settings, go to storage, scroll down and make sure that storage sense automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. Enable this feature. The next method to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type cmd to open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command powercfg2.exe to disable Hibernate in your system. To disable Hibernate or turn off Hibernate in your system, execute this command in command prompt Windows and press enter. And check whether your Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to run command box again by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type sysdm.cpl, sysdm.cpl. It will open system properties. Here go to system protection from the top menu bar, and thereafter choose configure restore settings, manage disk space, choose configure, and here system protection for Windows C open, and disk space uses make sure that maximum use enhance by drawing the from 2% to 10% and press apply and OK. The next one method more is to fix the search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows administrator mode again, and in command prompt Windows run the sfc scan now command to check any corrupted file system. It will not only look for any corrupted files, it will repair them automatically. Wait for some times, it will take some times. After that, restart your system. Your problem will